Welcome to the Custom Property Worker add-in walkthrough. In this short presentation, we will explore together the Custom Property Worker add-in interface and show a few examples. After installing the add-in, you can activate it from your add-in window. The add-in will be housed in a task pane control. There are two tabs, one for the active project and a help tab where you can activate the add-in with your license key. From the dashboard, you can start a new project, save it, and set the smart search settings. You can also remove and add custom properties to the projects list. Now let's go ahead and add a new custom property. With every new one, we would need to set a number of fields depending on the actions that we will undertake with the set custom property. For a deletion action, for example, we want to indicate the name of the custom property. This field supports regular expressions for deletion actions, and we'll talk about that later on. For an update action, for example, we'll need to add the value to be replaced and the value that will replace that. Finally, for a creation action, we simply need to supply the name of the custom property as well as its value. Now, custom properties can be either general or configuration specific. The apply section is where we'll tell the add-in what configuration to target. And finally, if we are going to target specific configurations, we will specify the names of those configurations in the configurations text box. To confirm the creation of this custom property, we will simply click on OK. Now this will add a new entry in the custom property list. For the most part, you can edit custom properties attributes from this list without having to go back to the previous window. Now let's go ahead and save as this project, and I'm going to save this on my desktop. And then I'm going to click on Start to launch the processing. It seems, however, that before we process a project, we need to set the Smart Search settings first. Now let's click on Smart Search from the dashboard, and here we can tell the add-in to process either the active document or all open documents in the SOLIDWORKS session, search components inside an assembly file, and in that we can tell the add-in that we're only interested in virtual components or with components with names that match a specific regular expression. We can also add a list of external directories for the add-in to process. Now let's add a directory, and let's click on OK and click on Start. You can notice that the add-in has started processing the files and is indicating the current step in action in the status bar below. You can pop out the Live Reports window for a better visibility. The add-in will report every action it takes on every file with a timestamp. If the file contains any errors or warnings during the opening process, then the add-in will ignore such files. After the process is finished, you can save the logs to a text file. Now to finish off, let's go ahead and open a part document to demonstrate the use of regular expressions. In this document, we have a number of custom properties in the default configuration. Let's say that we want to delete the description custom property. We can do so by creating a new custom property on the project, and we can click on Start to do that. Now, what if we wanted to delete all properties that began with description? This is actually where regular expressions come. With regular expressions, we can use a matching pattern that will match a string that begins with description. You can go to the Custom Property online page to get more information on how to work with regular expressions. For this example, we are going to use the special character circumflex to indicate the matching from the start of the value, and that will be circumflex description as the name of the custom property. When processed, description configuration, description part will be removed. Now if you wanted to match the end of the value, we will use the $sign. Now this was a very quick overview of the Custom Property Worker add-in. Now, if you'd like to request a trial or to purchase a subscription, please go to cadhere.com for more information. Thank you.